Number 16. Strongly disapprove of. It means to disagree with something very much.
I strongly disapprove of cheating. I strongly disapprove of cheating. They strongly disapprove of the new policy. They strongly disapprove of the new policy. My parents strongly disapprove of skipping school. My parents strongly disapprove of skipping school.
Number 17. Dry hair. It means hair that lacks moisture and feels rough.
Dry hair needs special shampoo. Dry hair needs special shampoo. She treats her dry hair with conditioner. She treats her dry hair with conditioner. In winter, my hair becomes very dry. In winter, my hair becomes very dry.
Number 18. Dry skin. It means skin that lacks moisture and may be flaky.
Cold weather often causes dry skin. Cold weather often causes dry skin. He uses lotion for his dry skin. He uses lotion for his dry skin. Dry skin can be itchy and uncomfortable. Dry skin can be itchy and uncomfortable.
Number 19. Go climbing. It means to engage in the sport of climbing.
We will go climbing this weekend. We will go climbing this weekend. She loves to go climbing in the mountains. She loves to go climbing in the mountains. They go climbing to improve their strength. They go climbing to improve their strength.
Number 20. News comes in. It means to receive new information or updates.
As news comes in, we'll update you. As news comes in, we'll update you. News comes in about the election results. News comes in about the election results. They waited as the news came in. They waited as the news came in.